Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to run a check disk scan on your Windows computer. So this should be a fairly straightforward tutorial and we're going to jump right into it. So basically a check disk is a system utility that verifies the file system integrity of a volume and would fix logical file system errors. So we're going to jump into it and we're going to start by first identifying what drive you want to scan. So in order to do that, you want to open up the Start menu and type in this PC on Windows 10. If you're on Windows 7 or Windows 8, you want to type in Computer, and then you'd want to select the best match. Now you want to take note of whatever drive you want to scan here. Most people probably want to scan their drive that Windows is installed on. You can see by the little Windows icon above the hard disk that this is the drive where Windows is installed on. The local disk, and you can see in parentheses it says C here. So this is going to be the driver we want to scan. So I'm going to close out of here and I'm going to open back up the Start menu and type in CMD. Best match should say command prompt. I'm going to right click on it and then left click on Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control window, you want to left click on Yes. Now into the elevated command prompt, you want to type in CHK DSK. So again, CHK DSK space. Now I'm going to insert my C drive, the one that I want to scan for this tutorial. So I'm going to type C colon, which is basically just one dot on top of another dot, space /F. So once your screen appears how mine does, you want to hit enter on your keyboard. Please note if your drive is currently in use, you will not be able to run the scan in the normal Windows operating environment, so we'd have to restart our computer. In order to initiate the scan the next time our computer restarts, you want to type a Y into this command line window, so just the letter Y, and then hit enter. Should get a message that says this volume will be checked the next time the system restarts. So you can close out of here. I would recommend restarting your computer at this time. And this should take a couple minutes to run, so just be patient. so it looks like the scan has finished. So I'm just going to scroll up the screen to get into our area to insert our password. And that's pretty much it, guys. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.